Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty slide fried potato stew. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you will need half a lemon, a handful of coriander leaves, 2 green chilies optional, a bit of green bell pepper, 1 sliced carrots, 2 medium sliced onions, 3 medium chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of tomato pure, a bit of green peas, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You'll also need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, a half a teaspoon of beef masala, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a jumbo, salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of royco, and fried sliced potatoes. In a medium pot or a pan, you'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up and add 2 medium sliced onions and cook the onions till soft and they start turning color. Once the onions are soft and they start turning color like this, you'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for at least 1 minute. Then you're going to add some green chilies and give a quick mix. Then you're going to add sliced carrots, sliced bell pepper and some green chilies optional and mix everything well and cover to let it cook with the vapor till the vegetables are soft. Once the vegetables are soft, open the lid and give a quick mix and add 3 medium chopped tomatoes and mix everything well and nice and let it cook till the tomatoes are soft and juicy. Once your tomatoes are soft and juicy like this, you'll add 1 teaspoon of tomato pure and mix everything well. And you're going to add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and continue stirring. Then add the spices, which is curry powder, beef masala, royco, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, and mix the spices with the stew very well and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And after some minutes, I'm going to add a half a piece of jumbo. This is to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. And continue to stir. And add the fried sliced potatoes and mix everything well and slowly. I will pour a quarter cup of water to make sure my vegetables and the potatoes are soft. And lastly, I will squeeze some lemon and stir once more and let it cook in a medium-low heat till everything becomes soft. After some minutes, I will open the lid and I will stir once more to make sure that the vegetables and the potatoes are soft, and once soft, you'll serve the stew on a plate. And my sliced fried potato stew is ready, as you can see in the video. Look how tasty and delicious the stew looks. You can eat along with rice, chapati, bread or anything you prefer and enjoy your stew. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of dishes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.